What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Your boy Monchis here with another video, a challenge video. Part 2 of the 2-liter try not to burp challenge. Okay, so the first time I did the challenge, you guys, I think I got it to right here. I believe right here, a little bit lower. And I couldn't do it anymore. I just burped really loud. So today I'm going to try to take down the whole 2-liter. Alright? So let's get started. See if we get a thumbnail here. Oh yeah, it says La Familia, because you guys are mi familia. Alright, let's get started. ¿Listos? ¡Vámonos! Whew. This challenge is tough, you guys. Anyway, this one seems like it's getting me really fast. Hold it, Monchis, hold it. I got it, you guys. I could do it. Ooh. Ooh. That was a little burp, you guys. I think I don't know if that was a fail, but it just barely came out. You guys, let me know if you guys tried this challenge before. There's little burps coming out of me. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Ooh. That motherfucker smell like weenies. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know. I'm so sorry, you guys. That was nasty. Ooh boy. That one hurt. You guys, I obviously failed again, but I'm gonna try to. What the hell? Sounds like a beast. My bad, you guys. I'm over here sweating and shit. I like carnitas, sweating carnitas. All right, I'm gonna try to bring it. Oh, this is getting me hyper too, you guys. Oh my god. It came out of my nose. Oh shit. Oh. You guys, I obviously failed. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I decided to do this again, because I knew that I wasn't gonna be able to do it. It is so hard. But I still keep drinking it. If you guys gotten this far into the video, let me know if you guys done the Coke challenge. Oh shit. Whew. Let me know if you guys done the Coke challenge, and did you beat it? Did you do it? Obviously I did it, you guys. I failed again. That's terrible. You guys, I knew I was gonna fail, but thank you so much for watching. We got another video coming up soon, so please stay tuned, and please remember to smash that like button for me and Sheila. We love you guys so much. Peace out.